But seriously, I've been doing this for the longest time, and I've only been using USB microphones, and not one client has complained. Welcome back to Speak Easy. This is the live edition. My goal for this channel is to help those aspiring voiceover talents, the new ones, the ones who are starting out, to actually make a profitable business out of being a voiceover. Okay, I'm not going to keep you for much longer. I do want to get into the questions that were sent to me. A lot of voiceovers I know say that I should never use a USB mic, but you sound great, so I think I can also use it. Well, first of all, thank you so much for the compliment. And second of all, yes, I get that a lot too. I'm not going to call them a snob or anything. I'm sure they know what they're talking about, that it's easier to manipulate your sound if you have an XLR microphone. But seriously, I've been doing this for the longest time, and I've only been using USB microphones, and not one client has complained. So yeah, if it ain't broke, why fix it, right? But I do want to learn how to do the whole XLR and audio interface. I do want to learn that, but right now I'm pretty satisfied with my USB microphone. Right now I'm using my Shure MV7. I'll link it down in the description box below if you want to check it out. But I also recommend Samson, not Canon, not the camera, Samson, and an audiophile microphone. I will link both of them down at the description box. They are the most recommended USB microphone by voiceovers, and they are not expensive. They're a little bit expensive, but not too expensive. And the best news for both microphones, including actually the Shure MV7. So for all three microphones is they are dual. So they can be used as a USB microphone, and they can be used as an XLR microphone when you're ready for it. So don't be intimidated. If you have a USB microphone, hey, use it. Okay, get started with your VO career. Start earning. The goal is to have a profitable business as a voiceover talent, and you can do it on your USB microphone. I'm telling you, you can. So hopefully you are learning something from me today. Do let me know down at the comment section if you are. And if you are interested in more videos like this one, please do subscribe to the channel and also tap the notification bell so that you would know if there is a new video out, and share this with your friends. Okay, well, this is it for this video, but don't go anywhere. If you are new here and this is the first time you've heard about Speak Easy, go ahead and check out my channel. I have a lot of tips and tricks for you. Go ahead and check out my other videos on there. But until then, I'm going to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.